Okay, I have a Sony M2. I think this is Aqua M2 or something. It has a problem with the charging port. This is broken. And others, I don't know. Yeah, there was a problem with the SIM tray as well. So one of the pins on the SIM tray is broken. So I need to fix this up. Other than that, I don't know what's wrong with this. So we'll have to open it up and see what comes with it. And yeah, the back comes off easily. This has already been repaired before, so the back is not stuck very bad. It just came off and it just turned on. I'm just gonna remove the battery. This has come off as well. I don't know if I can get the things on it. Let's see. So first let's go ahead and check the charging port. Once the battery is off, then I can remove the other bits. So this came off easily, so there might be something wrong with this as well. And the touch, let's remove this as well. Well, we'll see. And the battery came off easily as well. But well, it's not this one that has to be removed, but it's this one that has to be removed. Okay, this came off. Finally, it just came off. Oh, the charging port was replaced before. Okay, let me just put this on it. It's just easier to put this on. Just the problem is the connectors are inside, so I'll have to solder the pins first, then I can solder this as well and heat it up from the top. Now hopefully that should do the job. I don't want to waste too much time on this. Let me turn on my fan. Let's see what I can do to this. Okay, so I need to remove this first. What did he put on this? This is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna solder everything at once and I'm gonna put everything at once, so this is gonna be a bit tricky. Well, let's see what I can do to this. Hopefully this is not broken on it. All these pins are not broken, so it should be okay. We'll see what we can do to this. Okay, let's clean this up. Doesn't come off, add some more solder to it. It will come off. Alright, this one here. See that? Doesn't come off, add some more solder. What is it? Some more solder to it. It is gonna come off. Let's remove this as well. Doesn't come off, add some more solder to it. Okay, there's some solder here that needs to be removed as well. Let's just quickly do this. Is it not out? No. Let it be there. It doesn't want to come off. So using some isopropyl alcohol, let's clean this. I think there's supposed to be a clip here that's supposed to hold it, but since this does not have it, I don't even have it, so I'll not be putting that on. So let's do this to it now. Let me just test if this is, let me just try if this one fits on it. Will it fit on it? Okay. So this looks okay. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna add some tape on the side so that I don't burn these things, or I can just put where's my iPhone housing? Well, yeah, let's just put some tape on it. This one. So it looks like this. Taped everywhere. Stain the pads on these ones. And these as well. These I don't have to worry about it because I will be putting some more on it later on. Should I do it now? No, it's alright. Then I'll be tinning this as well, because this has to stick there. So let's tin this side as well. Don't look so good. Add some more flux to it. It would be looking better, but no. So I'll be adding flux now. What are those? Now heat it up to about 300 or 400. Let's go to 400. So what we have to do is gradually increase the heat to the motherboard or to the charging port. So let's go down now. Oh. Let's see the insides. Are they connected? Yeah, they are connected. Okay, it seems okay now. This middle one as well. Let's just do this and put it up. Go to the other side, do the same thing. You flow it very well. Yeah. Okay. So that is done. Just make it a little bit cleaner on this side. I'm gonna do the inside bits as well. Okay, this is done. Now why does it look so unclear, man? Okay, this might be better than that. Okay. Inside looks okay. Let me quickly clean this and we'll be putting it up and testing if it's charging or not. Well, this looks much better than the one who did it before. So yeah, I don't say it's bad, but it's taken a bit more care to it, you know. It would have been much better if he had done it, taken a bit more care to it. So yeah, this is done. Let me put the camera back in. Yeah. Finally. So yeah, this is supposed to be put in like this, but the other guys who did this lost all the screws. What do I do, man? What do I do? Let's see. Battery, why are you not going in? Oh, well, it's turned on. We'll see if this is charging or not. Oh, saying it's charging. Yeah, good thing I found a used one, dead one, working on. I don't know what it is. It's been here for a long time, so just gonna replace this. Let's take these screws out and put it on that one. That way I don't have to worry about it. Even this one doesn't have a clip. It's a good thing I found this. Oh. I didn't know it was 111. Stood out. That's okay. So everything is working fine. It's charging. It's getting about 72 milliampere. So this is important information. What is this? So yeah, this is good. All good. All good. Let me just quickly check the cameras if everything is working fine or not. Let's go to the front. Where is front? Yeah. Sorry, front. Front camera isn't working. Well, I'm gonna have to ask him about this because yeah, I need to try SIM card as well. Let's put a SIM card and see if that works or not. Is it going this way or that way? It's going this way, isn't it? Okay, just found out the SIM card. Just found out that the SIM card is inserted on it. Yeah, network is not going to come up because I haven't put up the antenna. Now let's wait for a while to see if it's got network. Yeah, like a normal takes a while to be registered, so let's just wait for a while. Oh, there it is. There it is. Like a mobile. Yeah, the SIM is working fine. Now let me just put it back. How do I put it back? Clean. What is that? Okay, just a SIM phone number. Clean everything up and put this one on it. Well, the front camera isn't working, selfie camera, so we need to ask him. Okay, it's gone to 50%. Let me just turn it off and put this back in. So yeah, while removing this, try not to remove the NFC because it's a bit of a headache to put it back. We can't put it in place, so try not to remove that. So I'm just gonna glue all the sides and stick this to it. Okay, where is it? So once I put this on, I'll be using some rubber band to put it in place. Okay, so this is good enough. Yeah, I should have put some those double-sided tape. I should have. Now there's no point on putting that on. Let me just tighten this up a little bit. It's best to clean it before it dries off, because once it dries off it's going to be difficult to clean it. So it's best to clean it up before it dries off. So yeah, this is going to hold it better than before. Well, this is okay now. Let's just keep it charged for a while. Well, this is all done. So yeah, thank you very much and have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.